Ahoy there, seafarers and maritime enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's making waves across every industry, artificial intelligence. But here's the burning question. How will AI impact life at sea? Grab your virtual life jackets, because we're about to embark on a journey exploring the future of seafaring in the age of AI. In the next 10 minutes, we'll chart a course through the choppy waters of technological change, examining how AI is reshaping jobs, training, safety, and opportunities for mariners worldwide. So, batten down the hatches and prepare to discover how the maritime industry is sailing into a new era of innovation. Now, let's cast off and explore why AI matters for seafarers. As you well know, shipping is the backbone of world trade, with a staggering 90% of goods transported by sea. Just as AI has revolutionized offices and factories on land, it's now coming aboard vessels, promising to transform every aspect of maritime operations. This sea change will impact everyone from cadets to captains, engineers to officers, so it's crucial to understand what's on the horizon. Picture this. You're on the bridge of a modern vessel, and AI is your trusty first mate. In daily ship operations, artificial intelligence is already making waves. Navigation systems powered by AI can optimize routes, helping you steer clear of storms and find the most fuel-efficient paths across the oceans. Down in the engine room, AI monitors performance 24/7, alerting engineers to potential issues before they become major problems. It's like having a tireless watchman, always on the lookout for ways to keep the ship running smoothly and safely. But AI isn't just changing how we operate ships, it's transforming seafarer careers from stem to stern. Imagine having a smart CV builder that knows exactly what shipping companies are looking for, or an AI-powered job matcher that connects you with your dream position at sea. Some platforms are even developing AI interview simulators to help you prepare for those all-important job interviews. And when it comes to training, AI tutors could personalize your learning experience, whether you're brushing up on STCW requirements, honing your dynamic positioning skills, or practicing safety drills. Plus, with AI certificate tracking, you'll never miss a deadline for renewing your crucial qualifications. Safety at sea has always been paramount, and AI is set to be a game changer in this critical area. Intelligent CCTV systems and sensors can now detect man-overboard situations in seconds, potentially saving lives in those crucial moments. AI-powered fire and flooding detection systems act as an extra set of eyes, constantly monitoring for danger. For training, emergency simulations using virtual reality and AI can prepare crews for worst-case scenarios without putting anyone at risk. By reducing human error and enhancing our ability to respond to crises, AI has the potential to make seafaring safer than ever before. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Will AI replace seafarers altogether? Let's separate the myths from reality. While automation will certainly change the nature of many maritime jobs, it won't eliminate the need for skilled seafarers. Instead, we're likely to see a shift in the skills required. Digital literacy, data analysis, and the ability to oversee AI systems will become increasingly important. For example, engineers might spend less time on manual repairs and more time monitoring and managing smart systems that predict maintenance needs. For young seafarers, this technological wave brings a sea of opportunities. Tech-savvy officers may find themselves on the fast track to promotion as their digital skills become increasingly valuable. With online AI learning tools accessible from anywhere in the world, you can continue your education even while at sea. And the job market is expanding beyond traditional shipboard roles. Think AI-enabled shore offices, maritime startups, and high-tech training academies. The maritime industry of tomorrow will need bright minds who understand both the old ways and the new technologies. But let's not forget the human side of AI. One of the most exciting prospects is how artificial intelligence can reduce stress and tedium for seafarers. By taking over paperwork and repetitive tasks, AI frees up time for what humans do best: leadership, teamwork, and critical decision-making. No matter how advanced our AI systems become, there will always be a need for the judgment, intuition, and crisis management skills that only experienced seafarers can provide. As we approach our journey's end, let's recap our voyage through the world of AI and seafaring. Artificial intelligence isn't the end of the maritime profession. It's the beginning of an exciting new chapter. The seas may be changing, but skilled seafarers will always be at the helm, guiding us through whatever challenges lie ahead. So, to all you current and future mariners out there, here's my call to action. Embrace AI, upgrade your skills, and secure your future at sea. The maritime industry has always been about adapting to new technologies and challenges. By staying ahead of the curve and learning to work alongside AI, you'll be well-positioned to thrive in the high-tech fleets of tomorrow. Remember, the world of shipping has come a long way from sextants and paper charts. Just as we've adapted to GPS and electronic navigation, we'll learn to harness the power of AI to make our jobs safer, more efficient, and more rewarding. The future of seafaring is bright, and with the right skills and mindset, you can be part of this exciting transformation. Before we drop anchor, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think AI will ever replace captains entirely? Share your opinions in the comments below. Let's get a lively discussion going. And if you found this voyage into the future of seafaring with AI enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more maritime insights and updates. We're always on the lookout for the latest trends and technologies shaping the industry. As we sail off into the sunset, remember that the maritime world is vast and full of possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned captain or a cadet just starting your journey, the integration of AI into seafaring offers a world of opportunities for those ready to embrace change and continue learning. So, keep your eyes on the horizon, your mind open to new ideas, and your skills sharp. The future of seafaring with AI is here, and it's up to us to chart the course. Until next time, fair winds and following seas to all of you out there on the seven seas. Ahoy there, seafarers and maritime enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's making waves across every industry: artificial intelligence. But here's the burning question: how will AI impact life at sea? Grab your virtual life jackets, because we're about to explore the future of seafaring in the age of AI. In the next 10 minutes, we'll chart a course through the choppy waters of technological change. You'll discover how AI is transforming jobs on board, revolutionizing training methods, enhancing safety measures, and creating new opportunities for mariners of all ranks. So, whether you're a seasoned captain or a fresh-faced cadet, this voyage into the future of maritime AI is one you can't afford to miss. Now, let's weigh anchor and set sail into the world of AI and seafaring. Did you know that shipping is the backbone of world trade, with a staggering 90% of goods transported by sea? It's no wonder that AI is starting to come aboard vessels, just as it's already transformed offices and factories around the globe. This technological tide is rising fast, and it's going to impact every role on board, from cadets and officers to engineers and captains. But what does AI look like in daily ship operations? Imagine intelligent systems assisting with navigation, optimizing routes, and helping vessels steer clear of dangerous weather. Picture AI monitoring engine performance in real time, predicting maintenance needs before equipment fails, and sending out instant safety alerts. It's like having a tireless, ever-vigilant digital crew member working 24/7 to keep the ship running smoothly and safely. When it comes to seafarer careers, AI is making waves in exciting new ways. Smart CV builders and job-matching platforms like Marinex IQ are revolutionizing how mariners find their next berth. AI-powered interview simulators are helping seafarers prepare for job interviews, while personalized AI tutors are making it easier than ever to master STCW requirements, dynamic positioning, and crucial safety drills. There's even AI that can track your certificates and send timely reminders when it's time to renew. No more scrambling to update your paperwork at the last minute. Safety at sea is paramount, and AI is stepping up to make our oceans safer than ever before. Intelligent CCTV systems and advanced sensors can now detect man-overboard situations in seconds. AI-powered systems are getting better at spotting fires and flooding before they become catastrophic. And when it comes to training, virtual reality simulations powered by AI are creating ultra-realistic emergency scenarios, helping crews prepare for the unexpected. By reducing human error, AI has the potential to significantly cut down on accidents at sea. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Will AI replace us seafarers altogether? Let's separate the myths from reality. While automation will certainly change the nature of many maritime jobs, it won't eliminate the need for skilled human crew members. Instead, we'll see a shift in the skills required. Digital literacy, data analysis, and the ability to oversee AI systems will become increasingly important. For example, engineers might spend less time on manual repairs and more time monitoring and managing smart systems that keep the engines purring. For young seafarers, this AI revolution presents a sea of opportunities. Tech-savvy officers may find themselves on the fast track to promotion. Online AI learning tools mean you can upgrade your skills from anywhere in the world, even in the middle of the ocean. And the jobs of tomorrow won't just be on board ships. AI-enabled shore offices, maritime startups, and high-tech training academies will all be looking for seafarers with a blend of practical experience and cutting-edge tech skills. But let's not forget the human side of AI. By taking over paperwork and repetitive tasks, these smart systems can actually reduce stress for crew members. This frees up more time to focus on what humans do best: leadership, teamwork, and critical decision-making. When it comes to judgment, intuition, and handling crises, seafarers will always be irreplaceable. AI is here to assist us, not to replace us. As we sail towards the horizon of this AI-powered future, remember this: artificial intelligence isn't the end of seafaring. It's the beginning of an exciting new chapter. The maritime industry has always been at the forefront of innovation, from the first compass to the latest satellite navigation systems. AI is simply the next tool in our navigational toolkit. So what's your next move, sailor? It's time to embrace AI, upgrade your skills, and secure your future at sea. The oceans are vast, and the opportunities are endless. Whether you're looking to climb the ranks on board or chart a course for an exciting shore-based career in maritime tech, the future is bright for those who are ready to adapt. Before we drop anchor on today's video, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will ever replace captains entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a lively discussion going. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest developments in maritime technology. And if you're looking to take your seafaring career to the next level, check out MarinXIQ.com for AI-powered job matching and training resources. Until next time, may your seas be calm, your winds be fair, and your AI assistants be ever helpful. This is Captain AI, signing off.